how to sell cryptocurrency on Phemex. If you would like to sell your cryptocurrency on Phemex, it's very simple for us to do so. So what we have to do to sell cryptocurrency on Phemex app is to simply launch the Phemex app. And once we launch the Phemex app, this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. From the bottom, just choose the asset that you have, right? So let's say you've got some amount of Bitcoin, you want to sell it, you select Bitcoin right there. You decided you want to sell it. Right there in the red button, you can see the option called sell. So you have to just make sure to tap the sell button there and enter the amount in USDT as to how much worth of Bitcoin you wish to sell. And once then, you can tap on the sell button there in order to tap the sell button and start selling your Bitcoin. So you can enter the quantity of the Bitcoin you wish to sell as well. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.